In this in this video, we'll prove that log base 2 of log base 2 root under root under root under root under up to root under 2 equals minus n. What is n? The n is the number of times of square root, the inside square root. Okay, so that means 1 2 3 4 up to n times of square root under 2. Okay, so we have to prove this value equals minus 1. So how can I prove this? So just first we have to think about this. This is the expression is like log 2 log of this base 2 whose base also is 2. This is equal to minus 1. I have to prove this. So now we can simplify one by one. So we are not sure how many square root is there, then 2 comes. Okay, so for example, let's say there are 2 squares. For example, this okay, so that means here n equals 2, square root of 2. So that means there are 2 square root. Here n equal 2, correct? So now let's simplify this square root 2 and 2. So first, this is square root of 2 means 2 to the power of. Now again, if we break into this first square root, okay, then this will be 2 to the power half to the power half. So that means 2 to the power 1 by 4, correct? Now for the n equal to 2, we got the 2 to the power 1 by 4. Now let's say go for the n to the power n equal to 3. This is under this under 2, where n equals 3. There is the 3 times square root is there, correct? So if you can simplify this, first square root, second square root, then third square root mean 2 to the power half. Again, if we break this into the second square root, and that means 2 to the power half whole to the power half. Again, if we break into this first square root, then it will be 2 to the power half into 2 to the power half into or to the power half. So that means this will be 2 to the power 1 by 2 cube. For the first one, we can write 2 to the power 1 by 2 square. Okay, so now we got the similarity between this number of square root under 2. Okay, when n equal to 2, the ultimate power equal to 2 to the power 1 by 2 square. When n equal to 3, then total expression is 2 to the power 1 by 2 cube. So in the similar way, we can break into for the n equal to 4, and we will get the value like this. Okay, for n equal to 4, if we put n equal to 4, then it will be 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power 4. Okay, so that means in similar fashion, if we for the value of n, what will we get? We will get, okay, let me simplify this. Okay, let me simplify this. So that means for this is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 2 square. For this is equal to 2 to the power 1 by 2 cube. Okay, so in the similar fashion, if we put the n number square root, then obviously we will get 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power n. Okay, so that means the inner expression value will be like this: 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power n. Now if we simplify this log part, then what will you get? What will you get? We'll get the value log, the first part is log base 2, log base 2, and this part, the inner part equal to will come to this 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power n. Okay, so if we simplify the value and apply the formula of logarithms, then we will get the first part of this. Let it be there, first logarithm part will be there. Now this is log power, this is equal to log base 2 2 to the power 1 by 2 to the power n. Okay, so if you can apply the formula log a base a to the power n, so that will become equal to n log a base a, and we know that log a base a equals 1 if a not equal to 1, so that means it is equal to n. So similar process, that will be log base 2, this power will come in front of log 1 by 2 to the power n log 2 base 2, and log 2 base 2 equals 1, so that will become 1. Correct. Now again this log 1 by 2 to the power n. So what is 1 by 2 to the power n? So 1 by 2 to the power n, you can write 1 by 2 to the power n like 2 to the power minus n base 2. So this implies, again we can apply this formula, log a to the power n base n equals n log a base n. So that means minus n log 2 base 2. 2 base 2 equals 1 because the value of log and base 2 is same. So that means this is equals minus n. Okay, so it's a very interesting formula as well. So you can treat this as a formula that log base 2 something like this. It may be the, not necessarily, it may be the any number of things. Okay, so that means log 2 log of log base 2 of square root ultimate n times of square root 2 base 2 equals 1. So we can remember also this as in formula. Okay, so it is already proved.